Meaning of grievous.
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 Grievous. The word grievous is an adjective that describes something that causes great pain, suffering, or sorrow. It can also refer to a serious or grave situation or offense. When something is described as grievous, it often implies a sense of weightiness or severity. For example, a grievous injury would be one that causes serious harm. Similarly, a grievous mistake would be one that has serious consequences. Overall, the word grievous is used to convey a sense of gravity and severity in relation to a particular situation or experience.